US energy stocks just ripped 23% since January, and the reason why should terrify you. Because on February 18th, Vice President J.D. Vance stood in front of cameras and told the world that Iran crossed critical red lines on its nuclear program, and within hours, Brent crude shot to $71.66 a barrel, up 5.3% in a single week. And here's what nobody on financial television is telling you, because while everyone debates whether this is a short-term spike or the start of something much bigger, ExxonMobil has quietly surged nearly 30% year-to-date, and Chevron is riding right behind it. And the smart money started positioning weeks before Vance ever opened his mouth. Think about the timeline, because on February 12th, Brent crude was sitting at $68.05. WTI was at $63.55. And by February 19th, Brent had jumped to $71.66. And WTI pushed past $66. And those aren't random price moves. Those are institutions loading up on energy, because they knew exactly what was coming, before the rest of us heard a single word about it. The XLE, the Energy Sector Fund, is the single best performing sector in the entire market this year. And when you look at who was accumulating shares in January, before any of this Iran escalation became public, you start to understand that the people with access to intelligence briefings were already making their trades, while retail investors were watching crypto crash. And this is just the beginning, because if those red lines turn into actual military action, oil doesn't go up 5%, it doubles overnight, and you're either positioned or you're paying for it at the pump, so subscribe, because next week it gets worse.